The next big career wave lands in drone-driven ecosystem restoration, where AI-guided fleets plant seeds and monitor biodiversity, creating roles in satellite communications, data science, and habitat genetics. Pioneer Dr. Lena Miro founded a startup that choreographs swarms to reseed plains and reef nurseries. Interviews with ecologists and policymakers show growth from shared data standards, modular drones, and cross-sector partnerships. Yet regulatory hurdles, ethical deployment, and community access remain critical challenges for scalable impact. This path fuses field science with software design, offering meaningful work as climate resilience becomes central.